Mentirang ba kejelau Conrad Sangma hakasi balang ula Wanrah ya kamang tengka jong kejela kabeduna sia jasan spa new folklore tengka nak mentau senam arjar kue arjar arpuar. Hakani kamang tengka Conrad Sangma bobat ru ya kepala tengka kejela. Wanrah ya kamang tengka kebakatnya wajasan spa kendai klur tengka hakaba ulabu antat penyok lum khajana khatsan hajar aspa lai ar klur bat ka kapital kebolong arhajar aspa new penyo klur. Bapalaj no ikiwe pat kijing simram kabakot hadu arajar aspa sau penyoklur kajing kanya antat banyok pediang mentau senam kanlong khatsan hajar aspa lupa arklur uloong umentirang ba. Hakani kamang tengka Conrad uloong kasorkar kelamang siajar prapoklur tengka nakabenta gisurok bat kijing sna jingkieng hakatna pelipeti lamang kendai spa prapoklur hakatna kakoi kakia praspa arpoklur hakatna karep karyang bat kiwe lamang sanspa sanpu kendai klur kentum aspa sau penyoklur nak state resource hakatnat sport and youth affair aspa klur hakatnat tourism sispa klur bat arpo klur na menta bandrakhe yak jingdap sanpos nam jong kejela megalia bat prapo klur ban penklan yak katnat pulen.
Budget estimates 2021-22. Sir, for 2021-22, I have estimated the total receipts at 17,509 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 15,232 crores and capital receipts at 2,277 crores. Excluding borrowings of 2,247 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 15,262 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 17,603 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 13,956 crore and capital expenditure at 3,647 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 771 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 16,832 crores. Interest payments for 2021-22 is estimated at 1,047 crores and pension payments at 1,303 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget of 2021-22 with a fiscal deficit of 1,570 crores, which is around 4.07% of the GSDP. Conclusion. When the MDA government came to power in March 2018, we made a promise to transform the state and to deal with several of the challenges facing the state, including inadequate infrastructure, poor governance, and several legacy issues. After 3 years of our government, we are witnessing visible changes because of interventions made in important sectors of road, water supply, health, and education infrastructure, programs for farmers' welfare, and support to entrepreneurs. This government has also been able to galvanize the entire administrative machinery and the society to work in a collaborative manner. I feel very privileged to have been part of this extraordinary journey. I want to reaffirm the commitment of this government to continue with the same momentum in the next year as we move towards the 50th anniversary of statehood. I want to conclude by thanking every citizen of the state, including our women, farmers, youth, artists, entrepreneurs, grassroots development workers, and children. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these few words, I commend the budget to this august house.
Hak juk opor Conrad lapentip baka 15 Finance Commission kalamang news pa khatbai klur nak bentaki EDC.
You're aware that the 15th Finance Commission has recommended for the devolution of taxes for all the states, and for Meghalaya also this year we have seen the devolution, and I'm happy to inform and would like to thank the 15th Finance Commission for increasing the share of the divisible pool of taxes for Meghalaya from 0.645% to 0.767%, which means that in this financial year we expect an estimate of 5,105 crores to be received as share of central taxes. The fiscal deficit for this year is at 1,570 crores, which is around 4.07% of the GSDP. You're aware that last year the fiscal deficit was 1,532. So there has been a marginal increase very small increase in the fiscal deficit. But you're also aware that the Government of India and the Finance Commission has allowed the states to have fiscal deficit of up to 4% of the GDP from 3%, which was earlier. And even central government this year has a fiscal deficit of 6.5%. So these are the salient features. And on the backdrop of all of this, one has to also remember that this has been a very difficult financial year, and next year is an important year for recovery. And hence, the government is going all out to ensure that the government expenditure goes up, which will directly lead to a boost in the overall economy of the state. And therefore, the state governments throughout the country and even the national government are taking a tough stand and a strong stand on ensuring that the expenditures of the governments also go up. So in line with that, this budget has been presented in that format. The state finances have affected quite badly because of COVID, and the overall taxes from Government of India, there was a decrease of almost 1700 crores in our share of central taxes from the budget estimate to the actual amount that came to us. Even in terms of our own state revenue, we have seen a large dip of almost about 24% in terms of the non-tax revenue that the state used to get. But we have seen a slight increase in the state taxes as well as the excise amount that we received. So those were the only areas where we managed to gain a bit and a bit in the GST. But overall, we have seen that almost close to 2,500 crores of impact has been there on the taxes of the state, which has affected a large amount of development works. But we are hopeful that in this financial year, things should be far better compared to the last financial year, which is the current one going on right now.